Hi, in this video we are going to learn how you can set up Vim text editor inside VS Code. So I'm currently on a Mac machine, but the process is similar if you are on a Linux or a Windows machine. So let me open VS Code very quickly. As you can see, I am now inside my VS Code. So I can go to the extension tab, and here I can search for an extension with the name VS Code Vim. So this is the extension which will make your VS Code look like a Vim text editor, and make sure it is from VS Code Vim. You will find an install button. Click on this and it will install this extension. So the extension is installed, and to reflect these changes we need to relaunch VS Code. So I just opened a program with name split.cpp. It's a simple dummy program in C++ programming language, and you can see here VS Code say it's in normal mode currently. So if you have already used Vim earlier, you know you need to press I to go inside insert mode and start writing the code. So now your VS Code will behave exactly like your Vim text editor, and this is a super easy way to get started with the Vim text editor. If you want to know how you can install Vim text editor on your Linux machine, the video is in the description box, over the card, everywhere. That's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, give this video a like. Do subscribe to the ADUCATORS YouTube channel, and you can leave a nice comment as well. Thank you once again for tuning in.